Right guys, brought the wood burner up with me up to the camp. I couldn't wait, just wanted to show it off to you. You see me, if you see the past videos, you see I purchased it at the Bushcraft show from Springfield. So they sold me the whole package and threw in the carry case as well, which is really nice. So carried this up today. Not too bad, weighs in at, well, the actual unit weighs in at 12 kilos. That's without the side rails or the water heater. So you get that. This comes with the kit. Nice little water container. It's got a nice little tap on there. Then you fill it up from here. Little slidable section. So that holds 2 litres. And a nice little touch there with the clip, with the ring. So that was part of the kit. Also you get a left and a right side rail, which is really good for your clothing or your shoes if you want to dry them out, or if you want to heat something through, you know, food items. You know, nicely well made. And then the unit itself, like I said, it weighs in at 12 kilos, so it's it was quite heavy to bring up. So it comes with 2 foldable legs, sturdy legs there. Oh, look at this up here. Does look nice in the camp. So the actual unit is 12 kilos without the accessories, and the flue pipe all fits in inside, so which is really compact. But I don't know if you guys have watched my last video. I was talking about, you know, getting my Land Rover Defender, so this will be going in there, so you don't have to worry about weight. So that'll be a lovely touch in there for cooking and heating and making nice brews. So you got a nice closing latch there, which is really nice. Holds the door nice and tight. Nice big door. Nice glass window, which looks really nice when it's going. Air intake. Fully hinged. Nice big insert with a tray. Nice airflow at the bottom. And then on the top, you've got the top loader. If you don't want to open the door, you want to, you know, top load from the top of the wood burner, like so. Takes lovely sized chunks of timber, which I'll show you now. Oh, I'm really excited about this, guys, sparking this up. So like I said, front load or top load. As you can see, that's probably half the load of timber in there, so that's going to give out plenty of heat. Talking of heat, it gives out 3 kilowatts, so which is a lot of heat from a little stove. And on the flue, you get the spark arrestor for the top, which is a nice touch. So that'll be going in my. Might do a bit of hot tenting with it in the lavoo, so it'll come out one of the side sleeves. But I'm planning on putting it in the small cabin over there, and then putting this out the roof. So it's going to keep me toasty in the winter. So that's lovely. Shut that, and then with the 2 litres of water. So we'll have this on later, and I'll make a nice brew. You can put that on there, heat it through, get it up to temperature, and then it clips on to the side like that. Just once it's up to temperature, you can keep it warm, or you can heat it through like that if you want a slow boil. Side rails clip on. You can still clip the side rails on with the water jacket. They sit like that, so you can, you know, if it was, just give you a little demo. If you did have some wet clothes, you can hang them on there, or shoes. You know, perfect. The flue on. So a little tip I learnt with this: if it's really hard to get off, I reheated them once it cooled down with a bit of warm water, and they pull out really easy. So if you can save a little bit of hot water in your jacket, you know, your water container, water heater, and then just pour it over a little bit just to heat it up, they come off really easy. It is it's such a good fit that, you know, once it's hot, it can cool down. They're quite hard to get off. And the thing I like, it gives you a nice bit of height. So if you've got different types of tents, you know, it'll give you that clearance. So they fit lovely together. You'll see her going up. She's got some height. It's lovely in the camp. I've got one more. I'm not going to put that on. So it shows you how high it can go. I'll put the sparker on, which is really handy when you got your tents. Need to grow an inch or so. So that's it, all set up. Like I said, I've left that one off. That's it all set up, guys. Really chuffed with this. You know, I got it, like I said, I got it at the Bushcraft show, Springfields. When I see it, it's one of them things, you see something and you want to own it, and this is one of them things I really wanted to own. So this is the bag that the Grizzly stove comes in. Nice heavy duty bag with nice carry handles, and it fits all the attachments in there nicely as well. Plus you can put a few extras in there, you know, tea bags or whatever you want to take in there. So great bag, come with a kit. Well chuffed with that. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like these, go out and get yourself one. You know, brilliant piece of kit, and it was excellent at the Bushcraft show, and I've used it at home as well, so it does kick out a nice bit of heat. I can't wait to, you know, really load it up. Not that it's the conditions for it. So thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy the great outdoors. See you on the next one. Cheers.